Life can sometimes be super chaotic, but when you jump in the car, everything just washes away. So I've just had the best surf at South Maroubra, pumping winter swell. We're just gonna head over to Martin's now, see my mate Xenophon. He's got some incredible rainbow trout from the Snowy Mountains. How are you, brother? Good to see you, mate. You well? Wow, fresh water. Look at that. Unreal. I think there's this massive similarity between cooking and being in the ocean, with this ability to kind of let go and trust your intuition that things are going to happen, the waves are going to roll, the recipe's going to follow as is. I love cooking because it gives me a chance to bring people together, a sense of community, a sense of sharing, and a sense of conversation.